You can get a cup of coffee just about anywhere, it seems. But independent local coffee shops often put their own unique spin on our favorite morning beverage. Today we're at La Dolce Vita in downtown Macon, where Kelly's going to make one of their signature drinks, the Haz-Raz.
So I'm going to be making a hazelnut raspberry latte. We call it Haz-Raz. And first we add our flavoring, so raspberry, and then a splash of hazelnut. And then we get to add the espresso. Add another splash just to make it a little stronger for people like me. And then we add steamed milk to it. Stir it up a bit and make it pretty. And there you go. We have the Haz-Raz.
So wherever you go for your morning cup of joe, think about taking a chance and try something new. Who knows? Maybe you'll thank yourself for branching out. I'm Melly Dean, and this is The Morning Grind.